Living in the city doesn't mean you have to give up on gardening. Even with limited space, you can still create a thriving green oasis with the right plants. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 of the best plants for an urban garden in a small space. These plants are easy to grow, perfect for containers, and will transform your balcony, patio, or even a tiny corner of your home into a lush, beautiful retreat. Let's dive in. Lavender is not only beautiful, but it's also one of the best plants for small urban gardens. Its stunning purple flowers and calming fragrance make it a perfect addition to balconies or patios. Plus, it's a drought-tolerant plant, which means it thrives with minimal watering, great for busy city dwellers. Beyond its beauty, lavender also attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making your space more vibrant and alive. If you're interested in herbal gardening, lavender can be used for homemade essential oils, teas, and even natural remedies. It's a multi-purpose plant that adds color, fragrance, and function to your garden. For best results, grow lavender in a well-draining pot with plenty of sunlight. It prefers at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, so placing it near a sunny window or outdoor space is ideal. Water sparingly, as too much moisture can lead to root rot. If you've ever dreamed of picking fresh lemons right from your balcony, a dwarf lemon tree is the perfect plant for you. These miniature citrus trees are ideal for container gardening and can even be grown indoors with enough sunlight. They not only add a tropical feel to your space, but also produce delicious homegrown lemons. One of the best things about dwarf lemon trees is that they stay small, but produce full-sized fruit. With the right care, you can enjoy fresh lemons throughout the year. Their glossy green leaves and fragrant white flowers make them a beautiful ornamental plant as well. To keep your lemon tree happy, place it in a large pot with good drainage and give it at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Regular pruning helps maintain its compact size while encouraging more fruit production. Just imagine making fresh lemonade from your very own mini lemon tree. Mint is one of the easiest and most rewarding plants to grow in a small space. It thrives in containers, spreads quickly, and provides fresh, aromatic leaves that can be used in teas, cocktails, and cooking. Whether you prefer peppermint, spearmint, or chocolate mint, this plant is a must-have for any urban garden. Because mint is such a vigorous grower, it's best to keep it in a separate pot rather than planting it with other herbs. This prevents it from taking over your entire container garden. Mint also does well in partial shade, making it a great option for indoor gardening or shaded balconies. Water your mint regularly, but don't let the soil become soggy. With proper care, you'll have a continuous supply of fresh mint leaves all year long. Plus, brushing your fingers through its leaves releases a refreshing scent that enhances any garden space. If you want a low-maintenance flowering plant, geraniums are an excellent choice. These bright, colorful flowers bloom for months and add a cheerful vibe to balconies, patios, and window boxes. They're also resistant to heat and drought, making them perfect for urban gardens. Geraniums come in many colors, from deep red to soft pink and even vibrant orange. Not only are they gorgeous, but they also repel pests like mosquitoes, making them a functional plant as well. If you're looking for a way to bring life to your small outdoor space, geraniums are a fantastic option. To grow healthy geraniums, place them in a sunny spot with well-draining soil. They prefer moderate watering. Too much moisture can cause root rot. Trim the dead flowers regularly to encourage continuous blooming throughout the season. Cherry tomatoes are one of the most rewarding plants to grow in small urban spaces. They're compact, easy to care for, and produce delicious, juicy tomatoes in just a few weeks. Whether you grow them in hanging baskets, pots, or vertical planters, they'll add both beauty and functionality to your garden. Tomato plants need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours per day, to produce sweet, flavorful fruit. They also grow well with a simple trellis or support, which helps them maximize vertical space instead of spreading out. Water them regularly and feed them with an organic fertilizer to encourage healthy growth. With proper care, you'll have a steady supply of cherry tomatoes for salads, snacks, and homemade pasta sauces. If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that also purifies the air, the snake plant is a fantastic choice. Its upright sword-like leaves make it perfect for tight spaces, and it can survive in low-light conditions. Ideal for apartments. Unlike many plants that need frequent watering, snake plants thrive on neglect. You only need to water them every 2 to 3 weeks, making them a great choice for busy plant lovers. Plus, they help remove toxins from the air, making your urban home feel fresher. For best results, keep your snake plant in a well-draining pot and avoid overwatering. Whether in a modern living room, a cozy balcony, or even a bathroom, this plant will add elegance and health benefits to your home. Strawberries are an excellent choice for urban gardeners because they grow well in containers, hanging baskets, or vertical planters. They produce delicious fruit while adding a charming touch to your small garden. These plants need full sun, at least 6 hours a day, to grow the sweetest berries. They also prefer well-draining soil, and regular watering helps keep them healthy. One of the best things about strawberries is that they self-propagate by producing runners, which means you can multiply your plants easily. Imagine picking fresh, homegrown strawberries for smoothies or desserts. With just a little care, you'll be enjoying sweet and juicy fruit right from your own garden. Aloe vera is one of the most useful plants you can grow in a small space. Not only is it extremely low maintenance, but it also has amazing medicinal properties. The gel inside its leaves can be used to soothe burns, heal wounds, and even as a skincare ingredient. This plant thrives in dry conditions, so it's perfect for busy urban gardeners. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight and only needs to be watered every few weeks. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so if you tend to forget to water your plants, aloe vera is perfect for you. Keep it in a small, well-draining pot, and it will grow happily for years. Plus, it looks great as home decor while providing practical health benefits. Pak Choi, also known as bok choy, is an excellent leafy green that grows quickly in small containers. It's a perfect choice if you want to grow fresh vegetables in a limited space, as it doesn't take up much room and can be harvested in just a few weeks. One of the biggest advantages of pak choy is that it's nutrient-dense and great for stir-fries, soups, and salads. It prefers cooler temperatures, so it's best grown in the spring or fall. If you have limited sunlight, pak choy can also do well in partial shade. To get the best harvest, water it consistently and harvest the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to keep growing. With minimal effort, you can enjoy fresh, organic greens right from your own balcony or kitchen garden. Dwarf bamboo is a stylish and space-saving plant that adds a tropical, zen-like feel to any small urban garden. It grows vertically, making it a great choice if you need natural privacy screens for your balcony or patio. This hardy plant thrives in various conditions and can tolerate both sun and shade. It also requires minimal care, needing just regular watering and occasional pruning to keep it neat. Many urban gardeners love it because it provides shade and fresh air without taking up much space. To keep dwarf bamboo healthy, plant it in a deep container with good drainage and trim it occasionally to control its height. Whether you want to add a modern touch to your space or create a mini jungle, dwarf bamboo is a fantastic option. And there you have it, 10 of the best plants for an urban garden in a small space. Whether you're looking for fragrant herbs, fresh fruits, or colorful flowers, These plants will help transform your space into a lush green paradise. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another gardening video. See you next time!